Welcome to Daily Dose English. Imagine you're starting English from zero in 2025. Here are 7 proven strategies to learn fast and speak confidently. 1. Start with high-frequency words and phrases. Learn the most common 1,000 English words, plus greetings and survival phrases. Example: hello, thank you. How much does this cost? This foundation gives 80% of everyday communication ability. 2. Use AI chat practice daily leverage tools like ChatGPT with voice chat to talk every day. Practice real-life phrases with instant corrections. Reinforce speaking without fear. AI is judgment-free. 3. Learn in micro moments. Use free pockets of time while commuting, waiting, or during breaks. Listen to audio clips or repeat phrases for 1 to 2 minutes. Consistency matters more than length. 4. Watch real English content with subtitles. Apply immersive learning. Watch shows, news, or dialogues with English subtitles. Write down new expressions and repeat them aloud. 5. Keep a mistake journal. Save and review your common errors, like wrong verb tenses, prepositions. Correct them one by one and revise weekly. It builds awareness quickly. 6. Speak with real people regularly. Use language exchange apps or group classes once per week. Real conversations force you to apply what you've learned. 7. Make it fun. Memes, music, and games. Learning English doesn't have to be dull. Sing songs, play word games, use memes. Music videos and catchy lyrics, famous songs with subtitles, help vocabulary retention. Remember the 7 strategies: high frequency, AI practice, micro moments, real content, mistake journal, speaking with people, learn with fun,